Let's do example 4. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees. We can see that. And then QR is 5 meters. PQ is 7 meters. Calculate the length of RP. Right, RP is the hypotenuse because it is the side opposite the 90-degree angle. It is the longest side also. So this is the hypotenuse. So RP squared is equal to RQ squared plus PQ squared. Then Pythagoras is our reason. Right, let's substitute what we have. RP squared is equal to 5 squared plus 7 squared. Right, and then RP squared is equal to 74. And you can square root both sides. Then what we get, RP is equal to square root of 74 units. So I brought this example just to show you that sometimes you get such answers. So we can leave our answer in set form like this. This is fine. So the answer is root 74 units. Unless if you are told to write our answer in decimal places, maybe they'll give us and say to the nearest 1 decimal place or 2 decimal places, then you can use your calculator and find that square root of 74 is equal to 8,60232527 units. But you're running off to 2 decimal places, so we look at 0 and then the number next to it. The number next to 0 is 2, so it's less than 5. So meaning that this 0 will not change. It will remain as RP is equal to 8,60 units.